Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will tell you about how you can check the usage of the Wi-Fi or the data in your device Vivo X80 Pro and X80. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So now, if you want to check how much data you have used, whether it's the mobile data or the Wi-Fi data, you can check your usage easily by the method that I will show you. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will be able to learn how you can check the Wi-Fi and data usage in your device Vivo X80 Pro and X80. Let's watch the video.